System Monitor, which can be installed as part of the Windows 9X installation, and then will be located at Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools, allows you to monitor system resources that are being used by applications. For example, the file system, the memory system, the kernel, the printer and sharing services, and network performance data. It will not automatically be installed in a typical installation. So if we want to have System Monitor, we'll need to do the custom installation. Another tool that will not be installed in a typical installation, but can be installed, is System Configuration Utility. This reduces the startup process to its essentials. In other words, we can use the System Configuration Utility to decide whether to run config.sys files or autoexec.bat files, or even pieces or parts of these configuration files. This is a great troubleshooting tool because we can reduce the system down to its most essential components and therefore be able to isolate the trouble, which is the first part of troubleshooting, isolating the problem. In Windows Millennium Edition, which is the latest Windows 9X upgrade, we have features called System Restore and System File Protection. System Restore automatically backs up the registry and the other system files when the system is idle, and it also prevents users from deleting system files. And System File Protection prevents the system files from being deleted by other applications when applications are installed. So Windows Millennium Edition does even more to basically protect us from ourselves from hurting the operating system and causing it not to function. Whenever we do an upgrade, we may have problems. That's just part of computers, and that's part of the business. But there are places to go for support for unusual problems that we just can't figure out what has happened. One of the best places to go is to the internet. There are Microsoft websites and other websites that are available on the internet. Of course, we would probably have to go to another computer than the one that we're having the problem on to get to the internet. There are also books by Microsoft Press and by others that can help us to determine what the problem might be. But we can pretty much work through any type of an upgrade issue if we just keep in mind the basics of what's going on and what may or may not have happened. So in our next section, we'll talk about supporting another operating system. This time we'll talk about supporting Windows NT.